Hello and welcome to our Fascial Fix for headaches and migraines. There are many different types of headaches that people can suffer from, and this also includes migraines, which are a form of headache. In this video, we're going to share some simple self-help myofascial exercises that can help to release some of the tension and restrictions that may be contributing to your headaches. In this exercise, we're going to do a stretch for the side of your neck. To do this, make sure that your arms and your shoulders are nice and heavy and relaxed. And then you're just going to tip your head to the right side so that your right ear comes towards your shoulder. When you do this at home, it's a good idea to start by doing this looking in a mirror, because quite often people start to lift their shoulder up as they do this exercise, in which case you lose the benefit of the stretch. So making sure that your shoulders stay nice and heavy and relaxed throughout this stretch. And so only go as far as feels comfortable for you. If you start to feel pain or discomfort in your neck or your shoulder or your jaw, then just ease back out of the stretch a little bit. The idea is to allow time for the tissues to release and let go. And as you do this stretch, you may feel it more in your jaw or in your ear, maybe in your neck or even in your shoulder or your arm. Wherever you're feeling it, it's absolutely fine. Just allow time for things to release and let go. If you feel you would like a deeper stretch, then bring your right arm up and place it on your head. So it's not pulling your head, it's just allowing the weight of your arm to create a slightly deeper stretch. And as long as you're here for at least a couple of minutes, then the tissues will start to release and let go. Then coming out of the stretch, just give your shoulders a little roll, just to loosen and assimilate the stretch. And then we're going to do the other side. So bringing your left ear over towards your left shoulder, making sure that your shoulders stay nice and heavy and relaxed. And just allowing time for the tissues to release and let go. And wherever you feel this stretch, that's fine for you. The longer you do the stretch, the more it will start to spread throughout your body. And in order to create a deeper stretch, you can bring your left hand up, place it on your head, not pulling, just allowing the weight of your arm to create a slightly deeper stretch. And again, be here for a couple of minutes to allow time for the tissues, the muscles and the fascia to start to let go. In this exercise, I'm going to use 2 myofascial balls inside a bag to work on the back of my neck. To do this, I'm going to lie on my back and place the balls under my neck. Make sure that the balls are either side of the spine in your neck, and so the bones in your spine are actually in that gap between them. When you're here, you can just relax on the floor. You can have your knees bent or your legs flat, whichever is more comfortable for you. If it's difficult to get on and off the floor, you can also do this on your bed. So the idea is just to relax and allow your neck and the tissues in your neck to relax around the balls. As you're here, you'll start to get a sense of things softening and letting go, and you may have a feeling that your head starts to tip back slightly as the tissues release. If you find that this is uncomfortable, you can also place a little pillow under the top of your head just to support it. But if you feel it's okay, it's nice to let your head drop back a little bit, and that just helps with the relaxation. So as long as you're here for at least a couple of minutes, then the tissues will start to release and let go. An extra benefit of this particular exercise is that as this area starts to release, it helps to activate your vagus nerve. This is a nerve which forms part of the rest and digest part of your nervous system. Sometimes it stops working properly if you're very stressed or if you've been suffering from a lot of pain or discomfort. So it's always good to help stimulate your vagus nerve, and this is a very simple and easy way of doing this. So just allowing time for your body to release, and you'll find that all areas of your bodies will start to relax the longer that you're here resting on the balls. In this exercise, I'm going to use one myofascial ball on the side of my neck. I'm going to place it on the side of my neck, just under my ear, and then I'm going to lie on this on my side. So when you're here, in order to feel an actual pressure from the ball, make sure that you pull your shoulder forwards. And this just means that your neck can rest on the ball. And just allow time for your body to start to relax around the ball. The area on the side of your neck can get very tight. There are nerves here which go down into your arms, and these can get tight and start to cause problems in your arm. And equally, tightness in the side of your neck here can cause problems in terms of jaw pain and headaches. So it's a good area to release, and by lying here for at least a couple of minutes, it's allowing time for the fascia to release and let go. If you find that lying on the floor is too difficult for you, then you can also do this exercise on your bed. And just allowing your body to relax around the ball and get a sense of the tissues starting to soften as you do so. And once you've been here for at least a couple of minutes, then you can do the same thing on the other side. So again, as you lie here, pull your shoulder forwards so your arm is out of the way, and that you get a sense of your neck being able to relax onto the ball. Make sure that your body feels comfortable, and whether you're on the floor or on your bed, that you can just relax around the ball. As long as you're here for at least a couple of minutes, then the tissues will be starting to release and let go. Sometimes you may feel sensations that may go down into your arm or up into your head and your jaw. So whatever you're feeling is fine, that's right for you. Just allowing time for the tissues to release, relax, and let go. So staying here for a couple of minutes allows time for the fascia and the soft tissues to start to release. And you may notice changes sensations that come and go, and that's all fine. That's all part of the process of your tissues releasing.